Hello and welcome to Paper Aces, a knockout distance competition featuring 16 incredible paper airplanes. In today's matchup, we have Rival 3 versus Firestrike. Now, Rival is an excellent glider with an incredible glide ratio, while Firestrike looks absolutely stunning and will surprise you with its distance capabilities. Let's see which plane comes out on top. 3, 2, 1, go! And with that, we have yet another dominant victory in round 1, this time with Rival over Firestrike. The glide ratio of Rival was just too much for Firestrike to compete with, and the result is a score of 5-0. With this result, Firestrike is eliminated from the tournament, and Rival advances to round 2, where it will face off against Alkanost in what I am sure will be a highly anticipated matchup. If you would like to learn how to fold Rival or Firestrike, just click on the videos on the left side of your screen, and if you want to see the next matchup in this tournament, click on the video on the right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next race.